We still have apple butter left over from the slow cooker apple butter we made a few weeks ago. And a lot of people have been asking about how long it lasts. It lasts for a month in the refrigerator. We're getting close to a month, so we're gonna use this apple butter to make apple butter sugar cookies. We've got 2 sticks of softened butter we're gonna bring over the KitchenAid. So if you make the apple butter and you're looking for recipes for it, I also made an apple butter pound cake. I'll link that video down below. Now that's a great idea. We could make peanut butter cinnamon rolls. I thought you were taking a little nap over there. We're gonna put in a 1/4 cup of the apple butter. There we go. We'll set this over to the side because we're gonna make a frosting for these cookies too, and we'll use a little bit of it for that. And we're gonna put in 1 cup of sugar here. All right, we're gonna cream those together till it's light and fluffy. Alright, we've got 2 eggs and 3 egg yolks here. We're going to add these in, and I'm going to get 3½ cups of all-purpose flour ready. Okay, we're starting with 2 cups of the flour. We'll mix that in, and then we'll add the other 1½ cups. Alright, we're putting in the rest of the flour, and we're going to put 1½ teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, let me scrape the sides again. We'll let it mix a little bit more, and then I have some plastic wrap over here. We're gonna shape this into like a ball or disc shape and wrap it in the plastic wrap, and it's going in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Alright, we're unwrapping the dough. It's nice and firm now. And I don't even think I'm going to need to put it in a bowl. I think we can scoop it just like this. We're going to take our cookie scoop and just drop them on the pan. What I'm going to do is put the rest of this dough, I'm just going to make 1 pan, and I'm going to put the rest of this dough in the refrigerator because this makes a lot of cookies. I think it's going to make it'll make at least 24, maybe more than that. I just have a little bit of sugar inside this. We're going to dip the bottom of our glass in it. I'm probably going to have to touch a cookie first. Now we'll dip the bottom of this jar in it and press the cookie down. Now they're going in the oven at 375 for just about 10 minutes. I'm going to start checking them at 8 though. We'll go ahead and make the frosting for the cookies. I'm putting a little bit of powdered sugar in here. Now I'm not using the full recipe since I'm just baking 1 pan of the cookies right now, but I'll have the whole recipe down below for y'all. We're gonna put just a little bit of the apple butter in here. And now some heavy cream. Okay, y'all, these just took about 8½ minutes, so not quite 10. You see they're getting brown around the edges. We're gonna put these on this rack to cool down, and then we'll frost them, and we've got some sprinkles. Yep. There we go, apple butter sugar cookies. The frosting does harden up on top, so you can stack the cookies. I'm just letting it finish before I put these other ones on top. We're gonna taste test. You ready, Manny?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yummy.
It's like a cake-like sugar cookie on the inside, kind of like those ones that you get from the store. I've shown them to y'all before. The kids, Aldi has them and Walmart has them, but the outside of these have a little bit of a crunch and chew to them, a crunchy chew. They're great. They taste like sugar cookies with just a little hint of apple. It's wonderful. that's good.
Yeah, but here this is Daddy's leg.
Okay, Manly's teaching us how to do cartwheels, y'all. Go ahead. We're pretending the stick is Daddy's leg, right? You said?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So, Daddy's leg does the other legs.
Okay.
And his feet.
Uh-huh.
Now, watch me.
Okay. That's great.
Hey, Tom. Let's try to do a cartwheel. Who can stand on one leg longer?
It's 3:28 now. Time to get supper started. I may or may not have tried to do cartwheels, and now I won't be able to move very well for 3 days. It's been a long time since I did a cartwheel, but Manly was given lessons, so I mean, you know, if you got free cartwheel lessons, you take them. We're gonna make the cheesy taco skillet for supper tonight. So we need this red and green bell pepper, cheese.
Can I shred the cheese?
We need an onion. Did you wash your hands? How did I do on my cartwheel lesson?
Funny.
Yeah. Did I do good?
Yeah.
Were you impressed or?
I was impressed.
Okay.
I actually liked it.
You did?
Yeah.
You think I did it good?
Yeah.
I'm slicing up the peppers and the onion right here.
And I'm shredding the cheese.
I got some butter melting in the pan. I'm going to go ahead and put in the onions and peppers. We'll let these cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to add in the ground beef.
I tried to make a heart. How does it look?
Okay, we put in the ground beef. It's about 1.5 pounds. Alright, the ground beef is almost done. We're going to go ahead and drain it. Okay. We're putting in 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Now we'll put in our seasonings. We're going to turn this down to low and put the cheese on top. That's great, y'all. Different way to do taco night, and you can add whatever you want to add to it. Black beans, more peppers, anything, whatever you want to add. It's great. It's kind of mixing tacos and nachos. Cheesy taco skillet.
Alright, y'all. I've been sitting there for just a little bit waiting on him. He ain't gonna do it, so I'm gonna do it. We'll do a little something different this morning. I already kind of made some of this gravy the other day. This is chocolate. I'm gonna light Fallon a candle, so she'll be coming into her awakeness. When she comes in here, she'll be happy. Smells like a Christmas tree. I'll show y'all how to get her really happy. She's already got it pulled up. Vintage, right there. That's what I'm talking about right there. You let her come in here and I got that fire going, and this is happening. I'm gonna pop this in the oven whenever it gets to the temperature it needs to be. We're gonna go ahead and get this chocolate ready. We call it chocolate gravy. I'm gonna scoop this right out here. There's a place in Pigeon Forge that has chocolate gravy biscuits. And it's not for everybody, but this is, you know, I like it. What I'm trying to say to you is, even if you don't like this, we still family. We don't have to quit being family out there just because you're not getting with me on this chocolate gravy deal. And what we probably need to do is fry a little bit of bacon. That's what we got. Chocolate gravy biscuits, not biscuits. We ain't got biscuits this morning. If we had biscuits, we'd do it on biscuits, which is fantastic. We don't have that, so we're gonna use the toast. Chocolate gravy toast, bacon, eggs, and some coffee. We used to eat this all the time whenever I was a kid. If you like chocolate with bacon, I know that sounds weird, but if you go to some of them like little chocolate shops in like Pigeon Forge or down here in our little town, these little mountain towns, sometimes you'll find some candy shops that will have like chocolate bacon. That's kind of what this is. Very simple. You have to keep that stuff stirred. I think our toast might be where it needs to be there. We're working on this bacon. Stir this gravy again. Lord have mercy. I'm gonna crack one like that. Let's turn that off and wipe that up right quick. Sometime early in the morning you can go to making a mess. What have I done? I got both these pans right here, but I got a mess going here. Little things like that can happen in the morning, y'all. When it does, you just keep going. Don't you go back to bed. Words can't really describe what I'm feeling right now. That's good.